Good morning, everyone. Today's we are going to discuss a new topic, that is thyroid and antithyroid drugs. So, before the studying use and structure of the drugs, we should know about the thyroid hormones and thyroid drugs. Okay? So, thyroxine and triiodothyronine are iodothyronine hormones which are secreted by the thyroid glands. Thyroxine is also known as T4 or tetraiodothyronine, and triiodothyronine is also known as T3 hormone, which are secreted by thyroid glands. Actually, T4 is the less active precursor of T3. The other hormone, like calcitonin, is secreted by the parafollicular cells. Now come to the synthesis, storage and secretion of the thyroid hormones. Actually, the thyroid hormones are synthesized and stored in the thyroid follicles. The principal source of iodine or the principal source of iodine is diet. The main step involved in the synthesis of thyroid hormones are uptake, oxidation, iodination and coupling of the iodide molecules. Okay. Number 1, uptake. In the uptake step of the plasma iodide by thyroid cell by an active transport process with the help of sodium iodide symporter. Number 2 step is oxidation. Actually, oxidation of iodide to iodium ions by a thyroperoxidase enzyme with the help of hydrogen peroxide. These combine with thyrionine residue of thyroglobulin to form monoiodotyrosine and diiodotyrosine. Now come to the next step, that is coupling. Coupling means the pair of MIT and DIT are coupled to form T3 and T4, which are catalyzed by the same peroxidase enzyme. Okay. Now the storage and secretion. The storage of thyroid glands containing iodinated tyrosine residues are stored in the follicles, and the release of T3 and T4 hormones into the circulation of the plasma. Now come to the regulation. The regulation of thyroid secretion is by TSH secreted by the anterior pituitary and TRH from the hypothalamus. Okay. What is the full form of TSH? TSH is a thyroid stimulating hormone and TRH is thyroid releasing hormone. Okay. The thyroid secretion is secreted by the thyroid stimulating hormone secreted by the anterior pituitary and TRH from the hypothalamus. Normally about 70 to 90 mcg microgram, that means of T4, and 15 to 30 microgram of T3 are secreted daily. Okay. And in the peripheral tissues, most of the secreted T4 is converted to T3, which is the active hormone. Now come to the mechanism of action of this drug. Actually, thyroid hormones influences several body functions Like thyroid hormones are essential for normal growth, development, functions and maintenance of all body tissues. Okay, thyroid hormones have important metabolic functions. They increases metabolic rate, BMR is increased and hence the carbohydrate metabolism. Okay, with increased utilization of sugar by the tissues, and it is used for the protein metabolism, which is used to generate energy. Okay, and now it is also used and essential for the normal function of the CNS. Actually, mental retardation is seen as cretinism. Fine. And now come to the mechanism of action. Thyroid hormones act on specific receptors. Thyroid receptors are nuclear receptors like the steroid receptors. T3 enters into the cells, bind to the receptor, and then T3 receptor complex move to the nucleus, which it binds to the DNA and activate genes transcription and regulates protein synthesis also. Fine. Now the preparation of the drug. Both T3 and T4 are given orally. ठीक है. Now come to the drug structures and uses of the drugs. Actually, hyperthyroidism and antithyroid drug is due to an excess of circulating thyroid hormones and could be due to the various causes like Graves' disease and autoimmune disorders is the most common cause. It is characterized by the hyperthyroidism, diffuse goiter and antibodies that activate thyroid stimulating hormone receptors. Actually, antithyroid drugs may act by interfering with the synthesis, release or action of the thyroid hormones. Antithyroid drugs are used to inhibit the hormone synthesis. And for example, thiouracils are thioanamide and include propyl thiouracil, methimazole and carbimazole. These are the drugs which are used to inhibit the hormone synthesis. Okay. Now this is the first example of drug, that is L-thyroxine. This is the structure of this drug and it is used to treat thyroid hormone deficiency. Now come to the next drug, that is L-threonine. This is the structure of this drug and its use is for the thyroidism. And now come to the next drug, that is propyl thiouracil. This is the structure of that drug and the propyl thiouracil is used to manage the hyperthyroidism, which is due to an overactive thyroid gland, and it is also used to treatment of Graves' disease. And number 4 is methimazole. Methimazole is also known as a thiamazole drug. This is the structure of methimazole drug, and the use of the methimazole drug is to treat for hyperthyroidism, overactive thyroids, and it is also used to before thyroid surgeries, and it is also used to radioactive iodine treatment also. Okay. Actually, thiouracils reduce the synthesis of thyroid hormone by inhibiting the iodination of threonine residues and coupling of the iodothyroxine residues. The propyl thiouracil started with 50 to 150 mg TDS. Try 3 times a day. Main maintenance 25 to 50 mg TDS and generic PTU for the 50 mg in the tablet form. Hope you understand. Thank you.